The things that are most important to me are spending time with my friends and family, and then enjoying the hobbies that I love, such as playing guitar, playing basketball, video games, and talking with friends. And Collectiv enables me to do those things by giving me quite a bit of freedom when it comes to my schedule, where you're still getting all of your work done and you get to kind of create your own schedule. Working remotely allows me to spend more time with my friends and engage in the hobbies that I love doing. In previous roles, having to come into an office every day, it really takes a toll on you after a while, and it takes away a lot of time that you could spend doing hobbies or spending time with your loved ones, because you are spending time at work at the office every day and then commuting back and forth. That time that you gain by working remotely is priceless.